it's a fantastic event because you see all the kids here. All the kids have big smiles on their face. The high school students who are helping out, who are doing a fantastic job of running the booths and helping explain things for the younger kids. It's really just a fantastic program. Been a fantastic effort by staff to pull this together. Staff from a committee that includes lots of people from the Conservation Authority. And it's nice to see people from the city here, people from other departments who are involved in everything from water conservation to water protection to understanding what happens when you flush the toilet to what happens when you take a shower. It's really a tremendous fun way to learn more about how important water is to all of us.
It's awesome here. And the first thing we did, we learned about like the water wheel works, where how the water pressure goes onto the wheel and it makes the water spin, so it makes electricity.
Well, we're telling people that toilets are not garbage cans, and so what we're doing is showing the children how wipes of all sorts could cause problems in the sewer system, and we're showing them the toilet paper doesn't cause problems. And so we've got a working model of a toilet here, we've got our big city truck here, just to help educate the students with the fact that toilets are not garbage cans.
Our involvement is very much recognizing that the students that are coming are from the City of London. 800 students per day is a huge crowd and a real opportunity to get messages out about the importance of water. At the city we've got the 3 water systems, drinking water, stormwater, wastewater, and all 3 of those systems are represented in the stations that these kids are able to engage with, learn about, using all the senses, whether they're actually running around and in a relay situation or whether they're sitting reading books. So it's a wonderful opportunity for those messages to get across.
Well, we just love, sponsoring the Children's Water Festival. It's really important to get the kids involved in water conservation and to protect it for the future generations.
So each day of the 4-day festival, we have about 150 volunteers. We have many high school students from across the area coming out to do the activity station presentations. And we have lots of people who are in the industry helping out. Everyone from the Ontario Clean Water Agency to the City of London. We have some agricultural reps as well, all sharing their message about water. Our 3 big sponsors this year are the Thames Valley District School Board, the City of London, and the Upper Thames River Conservation Authority.
I love it.